limited lightning risk. Limited excessive rainfall risk. Limited non-thunderstorm wind risk. Discussion. Ongoing strong to severe storms currently across southern Kansas and northern Oklahoma will spread eastward into southeast Kansas and southwest Missouri early this morning, and continue eastward across the rest of the area through the afternoon. A few of the stronger storms may be capable of producing wind gusts over 60 miles per hour and hail to the size of quarters early this morning. Storm intensities are expected to
Yeah, it's gonna rain. There, I got some water. You want water? Yeah. Have a great day. Yeah. I gotta beat the rain.